Okay, guys, I'm going to go to trade on oil. This is for little Maxwell in the group. So flick this over, and what we can see is it's on a massive drop down. It's pulling back on itself. Now I've worked this out. Just pull this across as a 10 pip trade on the sell. Now, what we're also looking at is this colossal drop. Now I've got to decide for myself whether or not that is going to pull back aggressively or whether or not it's going to continue at 1 o'clock. Now, a simple way to do this, at the moment it is pushing up on itself, but the overall consensus is still to the downside. So we're going to look to keep selling it. Now I'm going to set an order under here and I'm going to move it about. Now it's only going to be for about 50 quid this order. 10 pips. There we are. So I'm just going to edge that out the way a second while I figure a couple of things out. Now the first thing I'm going to do is look to see what's going on. So we had a gap last night, which it's pushing down to try and fill. Now, what a good way to do these things is just get a little rectangle box and just go like that. Now it acts like it's a candle. Nice, simple way of doing things. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go, well, it started here and it pushed all the way up to there, and then it kind of locked in. So we're going to take it to the top. So we in and around some decent entry exit points as we speak. So there's one there. We'll put that in. Just like so. And then we've got another one here. So that's good. Right, so maybe move that up onto there, so I can see where the bounce is. So the bounce is there. So we're going to start our orders at that point. Push that up onto there. Okay, get rid of that. Pushing down heavily. It's holding below the pivot, so it's definitely moving down. What's the hour doing? Well, the hour is down, it's pushed up, and now it's carrying on back down again. Okay, 5 minutes. What have we got? Well, it's here. The higher we can get this up, the better. So, there. Right, that's it. Now, if I'm wrong, this can run all the way up to this red line. So I've got to be a bit box clever with my entry, but I want to be in, bash, out, job's done, because that's a strong, exhaustive move. I don't want to hang about. So I'll just get in and out for about 50 quid. And that's what I'm doing. So there you go. Let's see what happens. Okay, guys, this trade's coming pretty much close to its end. What I may do is when it gets over 200 quid is just kill it off. Why? Well, that's one of the rule sets that I have. So what we'll do, we'll just kind of half watch it for a moment. See if it doesn't back up the track. Hopefully it doesn't. Now, what we're looking at about 175 quid. So if we pull that up, so it's at 195, 180. It's dropped back a bit. Ideally, I want it to go to here. All right, it's jostling around at this moment in time. But what we've done is we've followed the price into a better position with the view to sell this. That is the sensible thing to do. Now, it's pushed back against itself and it's having a little bit of a hard time here. It's not to say it won't push down because, well, it may well do that. But at this moment in time, we just have to wait and see. Right, it's pushing over 220. It was at, so we're going to bugger. Should have had it out. Anyway, let it push down a bit. Let it push. Go on. Give it that little push. We're just moving into 2 o'clock now. So bang. There we go. There's our 200 quid. Now, one of the reasons I do that is it's at top of the hour. So it could change and it might change direction. Haven't had time to reassess it. So I take what it was willing to give over the course of the last hour. So we've got nothing. My tickets are gone. And then there you go, 205 quid. That's it done. That's this trade complete. And that's all trading is about. Now, I was trying to explain that to Nav earlier on today. So a little salute to you. It was a pleasure speaking to you this morning. Trading is not about chasing the chart. It's about knowing when to go to chart. Now, you wait. Now, if anybody's trading sort of prior to 9 o'clock on a Monday morning, good luck with that one. The chart will just tear you a new one. Does it all the time. Now, if you're willing to wait till the time is right, then that's fine. And the time's right is avoid Monday morning, avoid Friday afternoon. Then you've got all the rest of the week to go to market. And believe it or not, you can go 24 hours a day, depending on the asset. But the more you trade, the more you're putting yourself at risk. And the more you're at risk, the more you're going to lose. So why not just sit on your hands? You know, the money is made sitting on your hands. It's a very good quote from Jesse Livermore. And it's worth reading. Read that. Reminiscence of a Stock Trader. Very good book. What book are you reading? Winnie the Pooh.
Very funny. What are you reading? Star Wars.
Penthouse.
Oh, fell for that.
You fell for that one?
Well,
Yeah.
it had to be something rude.
There you go. Play with your Willie. She loves the Willie, you know, boys and girls. She does. She does. And she's looking forward to it because we're going away next week. And you know what? I might even bother coming back. Yeah. What the hell are you doing?
I'm trying to get it. It's just stupid.
Were you trying to toss the cable?
No, I'm trying.
See, did you see that? Right, I'll call me out. As soon as I wasn't looking, she got hold of the Willie straight away.
No, I want to get it moved.
Well, there you are. It moves.
No, like. There.
See that? She grabbed it straight away. Do you want to play with someone else?
No, I don't want to play with a poo either.
There's Winnie the Pooh. No?
What have you done to it?
Well, it's obviously got diarrhea.
It's got something with the state of that.
Well, do you want me indestructible one?
Yeah, I'm sure even you'll break it at one point.
Do you want a banana?
No.
Ah. Do you want Willie?
No, I don't want.
Do you want me?
Behave
Do you?
Behave yourself.
Apparently that's going to be on my gravestone. Behave. Don't want to behave. Don't like being old. Didn't like being young either. Skinned. Lots of money now. Fuck it. Do what I want. And what do I want to do? I'll go on holiday. So I'll go on holiday. Yes, I know people saying, again? Well, why not? It's the Benidorm trip. Benidorm trip, rather. Scruff in the sun. Looking forward to it. Okay, that was for you, Maxwell. Just showing you consistency. I know I'm wasting my breath on 95% of the people that even bother to get this far, but I can only do my job. Anyway, watch how you go.